Hey everybody, and welcome back to Regal Mobility. It's a new year, and today we're excited to showcase our top 3 choices for portable mobility scooters that we have available in our showroom for 2025. So first up, let's go ahead and take a look at the Feather Mobility Scooter. One of the lightest mobility scooters in the world at the moment at only 37 pounds, the Feather folds flat in seconds with only 2 easy steps, and with a battery range up to 11 miles per charge, it's going to keep up with most day-to-day adventures you might have planned. Up next, the Transformer 2 Auto Fold by Enhanced Mobility. Now this one is all about top-of-the-line convenience. Just press a button and it folds itself to the size of a carry-on suitcase. The Transformer 2 is powered by an airline-approved lithium-ion battery with a range up to 13.5 miles per charge, making it the perfect companion for almost all forms of travel. And finally, we have the Buzz Around Carry-On by Golden Technologies. This portable mobility scooter can disassemble into lightweight pieces and folds for easy storage. Your heaviest part weighs only 48 pounds, making it easy to lift and transport with you wherever you go. The Buzz Around Carry-On also features a tight turning radius and a 12-mile battery range per charge with plenty of storage options to make sure you have everything you need wherever you go. So, whether you're looking for an ultra-lightweight, high-tech and convenient, or a rugged, versatile travel option, one of these top mobility scooters of 2025 just might have you covered. You can also feel free to give us a call at 800-217-5619 or visit us online at regalmobility.com, and we'd be happy to help you find the perfect mobility option for you and your lifestyle. Regal Mobility, Royal Treatment, Peasant pricing.